You may have already watched our film, How to Hang an Interior Door. In this film, we're going to show you how to fit the latch and the door handle. With the door closed, mark the centre of the existing latch keep on the face of the door. With a tape measure, transfer this mark to the edge of the door and mark the centre point. Drill a hole in the door edge with the correct size flat wood bit, making sure the hole is the required depth for your chosen latch or lock. And remember, always wear safety goggles when drilling, sawing or chiselling. Position the latch or lock into the drilled hole and draw around the perimeter of the faceplate. With a sharp 18mm chisel, start by making chisel cuts around the pencil outline you have made. Remember, be careful when chiselling in the same direction as the grain. Gentle cuts will avoid the grain splitting. Chisel out the woods to the required depth for the lock or latch faceplate. Then measure the distance from the faceplate of the latch or lock to the centre of the spindle hole. Transfer this measurement to the face of the door central to the hole you've drilled for the latch barrel. Using this mark as a centre point and with the correct size flat wood bit, drill a hole through the door. A really good tip is to stop once the drill tip appears through the other side of the door. Then, using this small hole as a guide, swap sides and drill again from this side. This helps to avoid splitting the wood and damaging the door. Next, place the latch in position. Drill pilot holes for the latch plate and screw in place. Now, insert the handle spindle and fit your chosen handle in place according to its specific instructions. Check the door opens and closes properly and the latch locates correctly into the keep.